Outlist Changes Edit. Welcome to this new tutorial on how to edit your Outlist using the Changes mode. When Keynema automatically generates an Outlist, it extracts several key pieces of information. The sequence number, whether it takes place indoors or outdoors, the time of day, the set or location, a one-line synopsis of what happens in each scene, the characters that appear in each scene. But beyond that, we have many more columns that we can manually fill or edit later, such as shooting unit, action day, action date, extras or background, shooting date, location. Keynema also automatically calculates the eighths of a page for every sequence. But on this screen, especially in the Changes mode inside the Outlist, we also have a split layout. Today, we'll focus only on the upper part first. There are three main ways to edit your Outlist in Keynema. 1. Manual editing. We can directly modify or add information into any editable cell. For example, in sequence number 1, we could say that the action day is day 1 and that the action date is April 1880. 2. Batch editing. If, for instance, everything happening in our short film Little Red takes place on the same day, we could select all the sequences from 2 to 16, or even select them all at once, and apply the same edit. We click on any selected cell, enter April 1880, and click OK. Now, all the selected sequences have been updated at once. 3. Using editing buttons. In the top right corner, we have a set of editing tools that slightly vary depending on the viewing mode. In Changes mode, we have a button to add a new sequence, a button to duplicate a selected sequence, useful if a sequence gets split, a button to mark one or more sequences as shot, a button to delete selected sequences, a button to open the script while editing, and finally, a button to export the Outlist in spreadsheet formats like Excel, Pages, or any text editor. Next, let's take a look at the lower part of the Changes interface. At the bottom, we have navigation tools, arrows to move from sequence to sequence, a sliding bar for faster browsing, and a field where we can manually type the sequence number we want to jump to. Every time we select a sequence, the corresponding row in the Outlist above is also highlighted. Now, what's the bottom section for? It's for tracking the progression and continuity of characters throughout the story. Let's say in sequence 1, Little Red Riding Hood appears with change 1, red dress without the hood. Mother appears with change 1, classic apron. When we move to sequence 2, the system automatically reminds us, Little Red last appeared with change 1 in sequence 1. Now, we can assign her change 2, red dress with the red hood. In sequence 3, it will update again. Little Red last appeared with change 2 in sequence 2. We can also add filming notes if necessary, or document changes for extras and background characters, as long as they have been added to the Outlist earlier. In short, this bottom section connects the evolution of our characters with the Outlist structure above, allowing us to keep track of costumes, makeup, hair changes, props, and more scene by scene. And that's everything for today about the Outlist Changes interface in Keynema Character Creator. Thanks again for watching.